friends! Today, I'm gonna be teaching you how to fix your Wi-Fi problem on which it always shows limited service.
Hi there everyone, well it's me, Teacher Kevin, and this time all you need to do then is to sit back, relax, listen, watch, and learn. The first thing that I want you to take away from today is this: you will have good days and you will also have bad days. But you will always learn something more, something new, and you will learn more overall on bad days than good days. You will learn more about yourself, you will learn more about life, love, leadership from different principles, and you will build your character. Well, my dear students, in this world, you must learn to accept life so that the world will accept you.
It's quite embarrassing because it feels like they are limiting us to use the maximum performance of our Wi-Fi. We have a very strong connection, 4G, 5G, but what's with this limited service error that I can see? There's actually some solutions that we may use to solve your problem. But of course, if this is your first time to visit my channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm always uploading video tutorials like this and more and more about computers. Alright, first one, let's focus more on your Wi-Fi. In terms of your modem, my dear friends, just in case you are facing this kind of problem, the first thing that you will do is of course to restart your modem, to restart your Wi-Fi modem. Alright, that's it. Unplug, replug, restart. Second one, you may also reset your modem. There are so many tutorials about this one. There are so many options in resetting a modem, but I cannot do such because I believe that you have your own Wi-Fi modem. You have different Wi-Fi modems. You have different Wi-Fi brands, alright, or service provider. Okay, now for the main content of this video, let's focus on the settings of your device. Alright, this one works for Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. Without further ado, follow these steps and thank me later if this one solved your problem. This is how to fix limited service in using Wi-Fi. Let's do this! Alright, so we only got few steps, my dear friends, in fixing your problem. Alright, number one, we got of course configuring the Wi-Fi adapter settings. Alright, in here, let's proceed to network. Network status, there you go. Click on this one. And then, let's proceed to network and sharing center. There you go. And in here, let's choose change adapter settings. And then right click on Wi-Fi, okay? Then proceed to properties. And then click in configure. And then proceed to power management. There you go. And disable this one, okay? There you go. Hit OK. Alright, then after that, let's exit this one and restart your computer. Okay, that's our first step. Second step, my dear friends, proceed here on your Cortana search bar again, then type in power and sleep settings. There you go. Power and sleep settings. Alright, there you go. And in here, we may choose additional power settings. And then, let's choose change plan settings. In here, let's choose change advanced power settings. Alright, and in here, my dear friends, we can see different options. We have the wireless adapter settings. Click on this plus. Click on this plus sign here. There you go. We have the power saving mode. Again, click the plus sign. There you go. And in here, let's change on battery and plug in into maximum performance. Alright, for example, on battery, go click on this one. There you go. We have this drop down menu. There you go. Then click in maximum performance. There you go. Same as true in plug-in. Choose maximum performance. Apply and hit OK. restart your PC, and thank me if you have solved your problem. Okay? This is simply how to fix limited service problem in terms of using Wi-Fi. Thank you so much and have a nice day.